So hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is a video in calculating fixed moments, which is a requirement for you to successfully analyze continuous beams. If you are still weak on this, then it's also difficult for you to analyze completely continuous beams. Here is the problem in matrix structural analysis. For the beam loaded as shown, compute the value of the fixed moment AB using the moment diagram by parts and the fixed moment CB using the direct formulas and by integration. EI is constant. So for the second part, I'll solve this by purely direct formulas and by integration. For the first part, I'll draw two different moment diagram by parts and solve this into two ways also. And for the second part, it's up to you because the answer is provided and I want you to analyze this using the moment diagram by parts. So we assume that the fixed moment at A is constant, is positive. So this is the I select B as the moment center, although you can choose either way or either way. You can make A as the moment center in the second solution. And you can proceed with moment diagram by parts either left or right depending on which situation is simpler. So I choose B as the moment center, purely B as the moment center. So this is the moment diagram due to MA, which is assumed to be positive, and due to reaction at A, so 12 times RA. This loading, which is originally trapezoidal, is to be converted into rectangular 60 kilonewton per meter, then less upward triangular 20 kilonewton per meter. So for the rectangular, 60 times 4 times 2, that's 480 and second degree curve. Then 60 times 4, that's 240. 240 times 2, so 480 additional here. So this is the moment diagram by parts due to the rectangular loading of 60 kilonewton per meter. For the triangular loading, we have 1/2 of 4 times 20 times 4/3. So that's 160 over 3, this height here, and it is third degree. Then 1/2 of 4 times 20 is 40. 40 times 2 is 80. So this is the complete moment diagram by parts for the triangular loading, which is applied upward to neutralize the 60 kilonewton per meter load, which is now rectangular from originally trapezoidal loading. Then the moment diagram by parts of the 150 kilonewton meter couple is this. And for the 40 kilonewton load, 40 times 9 is 360 kilonewtons. So the yellow symbols are areas of these diagrams. So for the first part, applying moment area theorems, EI theta AB is 0. So the tangents between A and B are horizontal. So the area between the tangents A and B, or between A and B, and the area should be 0. So we have 72 RA plus 12 MA plus 160 over 3 plus 80 plus 320 over 3, then plus 300 plus 80 plus 300 equals 1620 plus 640 plus 960 plus 480. Simplifying, 72 RA plus 12 MA equals, I need to look at my original copy because I cannot clearly read my own handwritings here. This is only copied. That's not the original. Copied the picture. So 3,160. Call this equation 1. Then reinforce EI division of B relative to A equals 0. These are the areas. We just apply the moment arm. So 72 RA times 4 plus 12 MA times 6 plus 160 over 3 times 2.8, because this is supposedly third degree, so 4/5, 4 over 3 plus 2, so 4 over 5 is 0.8, 0.8 plus 2, so that's why we have 2.8 here. Then plus 320 over 3 times 1, this one, and plus 80 times 2/3, 1/3 of 2, plus 300, this area 300 times 1 equals 1,620 times 3, 1,620 times 3 plus 640 times 3 plus 960 times 1 plus 480 times 2/3. Simplifying this equation, we have 288 RA plus 72 MA equals 22,352 over 3. Call that equation 2. And solving these two equations simultaneously, we get RA equals 79.926 kilonewtons, and the fixed moment AB or MA is negative 216.222 kilonewton meter, or 216.222 counterclockwise. The alternate solution would be using this moment diagram by parts, wherein I select this part as the moment center A. So we have MB, so the area 12 MB, RB times 12, so 12 RB moment due to the 40 kilonewton load, 40 times 3, so 120. Then I divide the trapezoidal loading into rectangular and triangular this time, so that we have 40 times 4, 160 times 2, 320. So there is 320 here. You just look at it on the next slide. Then 320, then 40 times 2 is times 4, 160, 160 times 6. So there is also an extension 960 on the next slide. Then that would be the complete FBD moment diagram by parts for this rectangular loading, because I need to go back to this to extend these areas. So I just completely draw the moment diagram by parts, though cannot be seen here, but on the next slide. Now for the triangular loading, 1/2 of 4 times 20, then times 4/3, that's third degree. So it is 160 over 3. There is 160 over 3, just like this. Then 1/2 of 4, 2 times 20 is 40. 40 times 6. So there is an extension triangular 240 to complete the moment diagram by parts due to this triangular loading. Then finally, for the 150 couple, 150 rectangular here at the bottom, and the area is 1,500. So again, the yellow symbols are areas. You just look at the moment diagram by parts on the next slide. So I'll explain EI theta AB again is 0. So 72 RB plus 12 MB equals 180. I think 180 can still be seen here. 180, then plus 1 to 80 over 3 plus 1920 plus 2880 plus 160 over 3 plus 320 plus 720 plus 1500. Simplifying, it is 72 RB plus 12 MB equals 8,000. Call that equation 3. Then EI division of A relative to B equals 0. So these are the areas. You just copy this in the same manner and we just provide the moment arms. So 72 RB, moment arm is 4, 12 MB is 6, then equals 180 times 1 plus 1280 over 3 times 7 plus 1920 times 3 plus 2880 times 2 plus 160 over 3 times 6.8 plus 320 times 3 plus 720 times 2 plus 1500 times 5. Simplifying, that's 288 RB plus 72 MB equals 74,848 over 3. Call that equation 4. Solving equations 3 and 4 simultaneously, we get RB, which is equal to 4,322 over 27, and that is 160.074 kilonewtons, while the moment at B, or fixed moment BA, is negative 2644 over 9, or that's negative 293.778 kilonewton meter. Therefore, the moment at A, I will just explain it on the next slide. It cannot be seen here. So, moment at A would be the sum of these moments at the left. So, for instance, 12 RB plus MB plus negative 120 and so on and so forth. I'll explain that on the next slide. So, I'll present the direct method using the by integration and by formula. So, I'll call this W, this strip here. Then we have here a triangle, right triangle. The height of this triangle, if this is X, is W minus 40 as to X equals 20 as to 4. So therefore, W is 5X plus 40. Moment at A, due to the 40 kilonewton load, it's negative supposedly PAB square over L square, where A is the distance from that near end or that point A there. So 40 times 3 times 9 square, because this is 9, all over L square, 12 square, then plus, by integration, moment, plus the couple, moment is positive because it is clockwise in the formula. B is 2, distance from the other end, 2, divided by L square divided by 12 square times quantity 2L minus 3B. So 2 times 12 minus 3 times 2. If this is positive, then it is clockwise. Take note that this moment due to the load should be counterclockwise at the left, A. So if this is positive, I think this is positive, so it is clockwise. This moment due to load should be counterclockwise at A. So for the second part, integral of differential P, which is W dx, and W is 5x plus 40 dx, that's dp, limit 0 to 4. A is the distance of the centroid of the strip from A, which is from the figure 10 minus x, so we have 10 minus x. Then b square, so b is the distance of the strip from the right end, and that is equal to 2 plus x. So that's why we have 2 plus x quantity square over 12 square. So evaluating, the first term is 67.5 counterclockwise. Second term due to couple is 37.5, which is clockwise. And the third term is counterclockwise, and that is equal to 1676 over 9. So that moment at A is, I cannot see it here, I cannot read it here, 1946 over 9 counterclockwise, or that's negative 216.222 kilonewtons. It's the same as that. Then for the explanation of the second part, because we cannot see this, take note we already calculated RB and MB. So we just add the two. So here is the calculation for the second part. I already explained this. These are the areas and the moment arms. So I hope you can follow based on the first solution. So these are the moment arms. Uh, you just ask in the in YouTube where I upload this if you want questions about this. But those for my students, I hope you can easily follow, understand these moment arms. So this is the equation. That's why we obtain these values. So MA is equal to 12 RB, 12 times 4022 over 27 plus MB, this is MB which is negative 2644 over 9 MB, then minus 120 minus 320 minus 960 minus 160 over 3 minus 240, then minus 150. We obtain MA or fixed moment AB, which is the same, negative 1946 over 9 or negative 216.222 kilonewton meter. Now for the second part, fixed moment CB, using direct formulas and by integration, I want you to solve this by moment diagram by parts into two ways also for you to master the calculations using the moment diagram by parts, because that part cannot be uh, forgotten supposedly. So we have W1 here. So we have a triangle W1 minus 30 as to x. This is the x equals 45 minus 30 is 15 as to 3. So W1 is 5x plus 30. W2, here we have our triangle again. W2, the total height, the total intensity. W2 minus 30 as to x. This is the x for the second distributed load. Equals 60 minus 30 is 30. 30 as to 4 or 7.5. Therefore, W2 is 7.5x plus 30. So by integration, moment CB for the couple load, this is counterclockwise. So in the formula, it is treated negative. Negative 90 times A. A is the distance from the far end B, which is 3, divided by L square, which is 12 square. Quantity 2L, 2 times 12 minus 3A. So that's the formula. If it is positive, it means it is clockwise. If it is negative, it is counterclockwise. Now, the fixed moment CB are due to the loads are expected to be clockwise. So for the second part, this is W1 dx dp. So W1 dx, the distance of this strip from C, the near ends is A, and that is 6 plus x. That's why A is 6 plus x. B square is this distance here, which is 6 minus x quantity square all over L square. Then for this, dp is W2, 7.5x dx, integral 0 to 4 limits. Then its distance from C is A, and that is 2, that is 6 minus x rather, 6 minus x. Then distance of the strip from the far end is B, and that is 10 minus x, or sorry, 6 plus x rather, 6, then plus x. 3 plus 3, 6 plus x. Quantity square all over 12 square, limit 0 to 4. The value of the first integral is 28.125. It's negative. It's negative, so that means it is counterclockwise. Then the second part is clockwise due to the load. That's 1,827 over 16. Then this is also clockwise. The value is 898 over 3. So combining, treating this as positive, counterclockwise negative, so M sub C is 18499 over 48 clockwise, or that's 385.396 kilonewton meter. So that's it for this video because it's already long.